what is the total candy count, average spawn chance, and max average spawns for each different type of egg. Notice that we're using 3 different aggregation operators. Also notice that we're using them on 3 different fields: the candy count field, the spawn chance field, and the average spawns field. So we can use any combination of these to get what we want. And we're doing this on type of egg. So we have the aggregate function, and we're going to use a group stage. And for this document we need an underscore ID field, and we're going to build that on the egg field. The next one is we need the total candy count, so I'm just going to call this total candy. And this one, for total, we're going to use the sum operator, and we're going to base this one on the candy count. The next field is for the average spawn chance, so I'll call this average spawn chance. And average, so we're going to use the average operator. And what field is this based on? Let's go see, make sure we get it spelled right. Average spawn chance, so it's spawn underscore chance. And then the next one is the max. So we want, and it's the max of the average spawns. So what do we want to call this? Max average spawns. And since this is going to be a max, we'll use the max operator. And it's going to be based on that average spawns. All right, let's see what we've got here. And there we go. We have it by egg type, the total number of candy for each egg type, the average spawn for each type, and the max of the average spawns. Notice here that if it doesn't have a field, it just puts null, and that just means, so instead of giving you an error, it just said there were none of those fields to compute. So they're either none of them or their value was null. And there we got that result.